My dear friends, welcome to ArtMagic.
Welcome, young artists. Let's learn how to draw 2 delicious cupcake cups with a chocolatey twist. Grab your coloring supplies and follow these simple steps to create tasty-looking treats. Start by drawing 2 cupcake shapes side by side. Next, add swirls of creamy frosting inside each cupcake, making them as big or small as you like. Now, let's add the chocolatey goodness. Draw lines across the cupcake swirls to create a delightful chocolate feel. Don't forget to add details like sprinkles or chocolate chips on top for extra yumminess. To make it even more delightful, draw thin, long rectangles for the chocolate sticks sticking out from the cupcake cups. Color your drawing using vibrant shades for the cupcakes, like vanilla white or chocolate brown. Use darker browns for the chocolate parts and various colorful tones for the sprinkles. Let your imagination run wild with the colors. This easy-to-follow tutorial will help you create mouth-watering cupcake treats that look good enough to eat. Have fun, get creative, and enjoy your artistic adventure. free to experiment with different colors and details to make your cupcake drawings even more delightful. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.